Do you want to ace your Applied Electronics HSC paper? Then Target student-friendly notes for Applied Electronics is just what you need. Based on the latest HSC Board Syllabus, the notes follow question-answer format with detailed point-wise solutions to all questions. Know the importance of each chapter with chapter-wise weightage. Gain insights into the types of questions asked with chapter-wise past board questions. Study systematically with chapters divided into sections and subsections. Break down those complex concepts with simple explanations and neat and clean diagrams. Learn how to solve numericals step by step with solved examples from board question papers. With a large number of board multiple-choice questions and additional multiple-choice questions along with explanations, you'll have ample opportunity to practice and reinforce your knowledge. Get ready to ace your exams with Target.